To turn your Xfinity internet back on, start by checking if there are any outages in your area, as this could be the reason for the disruption. You can do this by visiting the Xfinity website or using the Xfinity app on your mobile device. If there is an outage, you will have to wait until it is resolved. Next, ensure that your account is up to date and that there are no pending payments. If your account is past due, you will need to make a payment to restore your service. You can do this online or by contacting Xfinity customer support. Now, let's move on to troubleshooting your equipment. Begin by checking the power cord of your Xfinity modem and router, making sure they are properly plugged in. If you are using a battery backup, ensure that it is functioning correctly. Restart your modem and router by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This will reset your equipment and may resolve any connectivity issues. Wait a few minutes for your modem and router to boot up and sync with the Xfinity network. If restarting your equipment does not work, try resetting your modem to its default settings. You can do this by locating the small reset button on the back of your modem, pressing it with a paperclip, and holding it for 10 seconds. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Xfinity customer support for further assistance. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the problem or send a technician to your home if needed. Remember to always keep your account information and equipment in good working order to minimize the risk of service disruptions. By following these steps, you should be able to turn your Xfinity internet back on and get back online quickly and easily.